How to fix Android package installer not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Now go to app management. Then tap on the search bar. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on show system. Then tap on the search bar. Now type package installer. Now tap on package installer. Then tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage. Now tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home screen and restart your phone. I hope this should fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.